Here, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BMSN. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one a bunch of times, but it has been a while since the last time I did it, but I've had quite a few questions and so forth come in on it asking for an update, and it definitely deserves one, so I want to touch on a few different attributes, but mainly just map out some supports and resistance levels. That way everybody has an idea of what to look at going into next week. So the kind of glaring issue with this one, and the thing that really sticks out to me, is this yellow line here, which is a 200-day simple moving average, is just, to kind of put it bluntly, a thorn in the side of the chart right now. It's acting as a resistance like you would expect it to, but you can see that it was acting as a support here, but then when the price did fall below it right here, it went right into resistance mode. And for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row there, knocked the price down. The price did actually manage to close above it right here, but you can see a very unattractive candlestick was formed on that day. And then after the very next day, you can see it dropped right below it, came back up here, again acted as resistance, and now once again acting as resistance. So, not shocking, and it's just one of these things where, this moving average is definitely just a pain in the neck of the chart, but the good news is the more stubborn the level of resistance, the more potential for a breakout. So that's the key thing to remember, is this one's definitely been stubborn around this level, but the higher the stubbornness, the higher the ability for a nice solid breakout. So that's always kind of the plus side when you see action like this, where a single level just keeps knocking down the price. So on that note, the 200-day simple moving average is valued at 0.0035. So that's the key level of resistance right now. After 0035, the next level of resistance, not until up here, that I'd call right around the 0.0043 area. You could call it 0.0045 if that make you feel better for a nice round number like that. But these are going to be the two current and key levels of resistance. But again, 200-day is going to be the very important level of resistance. Now, in terms of supports, there's two that's sticking out. The first is just this overall uptrend that's been established the past basically month and a half. You can see that after this big move here, there was a higher low that was formed. So this is giving us the ability to draw this uptrend line. So for the longer term players, this is the key level that you're going to want to see the price remain above. As long as the price can maintain above this support trend line, then it is, as time goes by, only going to increase higher and higher. The other key level of support, and this is more the ideal one, meaning best case scenario and what would make the chart look the strongest, is if this purple line could hold as support. That's the 50-day simple moving average, and that's valued at 0028. So 0028 and then this uptrend support line, those are going to be the two key levels of support going forward also. And despite the red day today, it was nice to see it was on lower volume. That's what you want to see during consolidation days. So then again, with any sort of upwards move, that's where you want to see volume increase, like you saw it right here. So from a volume analysis standpoint, nice to see lower volume on a consolidation day like today was. If you do have any other questions, please shoot me a message. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll receive a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our video course, over 8.5 hours of education and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was BMSN. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.